Commercial-grade grease extraction is essential for a big family house kitchen that sees prolonged heavy cooking. For a home-size project that mimics commercial systems, start by specifying a commercial exhaust hood rated for the cooking load, and the hood should extend beyond the front of the range by at least 6 inches on each side to capture all rising grease-laden vapor. Choose easy clean baffle filters made of stainless steel because they separate grease by directional change and withstand frequent washing. Plan for weekly removal and a monthly deep soak in hot water and detergent. Integrate a grease trap or interceptor between the hood and the external collection to capture liquid grease before it reaches the external line, and size it based on expected daily cooking volume and typical viscosity of rendered fats. Route ducts with smooth interior walls and ensure access panels every 6 to 10 feet and at every change of direction so ducts can be inspected and manually cleaned. Specify removable sections at low points to drain accumulated grease. Design an external grease collection and disposal plan with a weatherproof container and scheduled pickup or local waste disposal drop-offs, and include a secondary containment pad to avoid spills during servicing. Finally, include washable access points at the hood and oven adjacency so technicians and homeowners can perform spot cleaning without dismantling major assemblies. A common mistake is undersizing the hood, which leads to poor capture and grease accumulation. Remedy this by calculating cubic feet per minute based on appliance output and choosing the next larger standard hood size. Another frequent issue is using flat microfilter panels that clog quickly, so switch to stainless steel baffle filters that shed grease and are dishwasher safe. Homeowners often neglect duct access and end up with long runs of inaccessible ductwork. Prevent this by designing access panels and removable low points during the planning stage so cleaning is straightforward. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors experienced in heavy-duty kitchen exhaust and grease management, and we provide project pages and community discussions so you can read experiences and ask questions. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them participate in our discussion community to share methods and bid on jobs.